Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody...
All right, what do we have here? Oh, this is one of my favorite salad greens. This is arugula, very peppery. A couple slices cheddar. Ooh, some nice Italian bread. Go bacon! And some mayo. Boy, I got really excited when I said bacon, didn't I? This is a killer sandwich. It's my arugula, bacon, and cheese sandwich. It's going to be lightly toasted. Well, don't even talk about it. Let me show you how to make it. But it's a delicious sandwich where you're going to get lots of good nutrients. You're going to get a little craziness from the, from the cheese and from the mayo and the bread. But bacon is healthier for you than you think. And arugula, well, I got a video on why you should eat arugula, one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Let's put this baby together. Okay, we got the toast. Mayo on this side, just like that. Second verse, same as the first. Mayo on this side. There you go. Cheese on both ends. And then we do a flip. For adhesion, not adhesion, right? And then we got the arugula. Hope I pronounced that right. Nice arugula sandwich. Oh, and then the bacon. That's it. Flipperoo. Oh gosh, this is gonna be so good. That's the presseroo. Ready for the old sliceroo. Here it comes. Oh yeah. Let's reveal this baby. Ooh. Nice close-up coming up. Ooh, look at that. That's the close-up. Arugula, bacon, cheese, and a little mayo. Big bite coming up. Is that close enough? Oh yeah. Now it's time for the bite. I've been waiting for this all day. Happy ants. Everything's going nuts. The bacon and mayo, the cheese, all coming together. That arugula, peppery, healthy, and delicious. Great sandwich. There's a smile for you. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365, my YouTube channel. Tell people about Live Life 365. And keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I hate chewing, baby. Just chewing it, chewing it. Did I like it? I don't know. You tell me. Sweet babu. I think it's the cheese, but then the bacon.